Why are there not more people talking about this simple study hack? It's time to unlock your full concentration power. Curious? Let's dive in. All right, picture this. You're at your desk, books open, but your mind is wandering off to that funny meme you saw earlier. Sound familiar? Enter the magic of the Pomodoro technique. Here's how it works. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, and then take a longer 30-minute break. It's like giving your brain a workout with mini rewards. Think of it as interval training, but for your brain. By breaking your study time into bite-sized chunks, you prevent burnout and keep your mind sharp. Here's a relatable example. Imagine you're on a study marathon, cramming for finals. After just 25 minutes of intense focus, you earn a guilt-free 5-minute TikTok scroll or a quick snack break. Feels like a win-win, right? Plus, the Pomodoro technique helps you track your productivity and manage your time more effectively. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish without feeling like a zombie. So next time you sit down to study, set that timer for 25 minutes and give it a shot. Your future self will thank you. Happy studying, and may the Pomodoro be with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow study warriors. See you next time.